What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a garage door sill. So our garage door sill is basically worn out. Like some is missing on one end, some is missing on the other end. And I want my garage door completely sealed. This goes on to the bottom of your garage door. And I actually did a recording and showed y'all the bottom of my garage door, how it's light. You can still see light on one side, light on the other side, and maybe like little rodents, like little mice might be able to get under there, or bugs and other stuff. And we want to make sure our garage door is re-sealed. So this is how it is when you first get it. You do get the instructions right here. First, please measure the gap under the door. 2, cut the strip into the correct length. Now, I might cut after I put onto the door. All right, so I have it here. I laid it out. So this is gonna require a little work. Ooh, a lot of dirt, you guys. All right. So out with the old, you guys. I'll need to move this out the way so I can slide it through. Yeah. All right. Old is out. The old one is flat and it's done. And let's see what the new one looks like. So with this, you have this one side right here. You see that? So both sides are basically the same. All right. And the gaps are right there underneath of your door. So I'm gonna show y'all that in a little bit. But I'm gonna come from underneath. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm doing once I get it in. And it fits perfect. Now I gotta get it in the other gap and it's not fitting perfect. Come on, I need perfect, you guys, because I can't return this. I can't return this, you guys. I'm out of return policy. And sorry if I'm blocking y'all, but it is what it is right now. I'm trying to get it through these loops. Okay, there we go. All right. So I'm going to show it to y'all what I'm doing. All right, let me take y'all off this real quick. Give me a second. All right. So if you can see, I put it through the gaps. All right. Basically, you just fold and put it underneath. And I'm going to show it to y'all as I go so y'all can see me just pushing it. So stay tuned to that. And I'll do y'all little by little. All right. So I folded it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep folding and pushing. Fold and push. If you have a two-buddy system, this will be good. Well, nice and easier, but you can do this by yourself. Let's try WD-40. See what happens. So I'm here. And I have no choice because this is all I have. So this will be an all-day project. It has to be done. All right, you guys, sorry about that, but my battery, well, my storage on my phone is up and I have the 200 and something gigabytes. So I have a lot of work to do, a lot of editing. So my son got it all the way down to the end. All right. And this is how much I have left. And on this side, this is how much we have left on this side. All right. Now, the only issue I was having was this side kept coming off of the track right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure I cut enough that I'm gonna have a little bit of hang time. So I'm gonna use a razor blade and just cut right down right there. And then that will be it. And then I'm gonna close the door, see if we see any light come through the bottom, and then we will be good. And I'm gonna cut right through. I'm gonna try to be straight as possible, you guys. Be careful too. It'll be good to wear cut resistant gloves, in which I took mine off, but wear some cut resistant gloves. I don't have no cut proof gloves. All right, and that's it. So that's all I'm gonna leave left on there. All right. And it won't hit the metal. I made sure of that. At least I hope it don't hit the metal. But we should be good. I'm going to put the garage door down and let's see if we see any light come through. Oh, it works. Nice. It's going down. I don't know why I got my lights on. See if we see any light. Uh-oh. Why did it do that? Uh-oh. Does it... Let's try to go down again. See what happens. Maybe it's too thick. I might have to... Yep. I might have to redo the learn button on here so it can go all the way down. So I'm gonna do the learn button real quick and then I'll come back to y'all. All right, you guys, so I just hit the learn button and I'm teaching my garage door again. So what I did was I went all the way down until it got to the sill. So that's what I had to do because that sill is so thick that it senses the door hitting something, I think. So that's why I kept going back up, I believe. All right, you guys, so I taught my garage door. Now it's finally done. I don't have no gap on the bottom, you guys. No gap at all. All right, now we checking the other side and I have nothing there. But that will be it, you guys. I'm ready to head out of here. Got things to do today. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.